Okay, since we're done converting right now, you'll see a little star by converted, which means it's complete. I'm gonna make sure that it is, and it's right there. Now, if you're going to burn it, I'm gonna get that there for next time I have to burn that one. You're going to hit switch hands. You're gonna hit add files. And this is where your file is. Well, will be in this folder. Name converted. So you hit open. There it is. And this is where things get tricky if you don't use the right CD or DVD. Take this out. I'm going to put it right here on top of here. This is where you use the RWs. Take this off. Then of course, this side down, this side up. Press button, put it in there. And the first thing you want to do is switch hands again. Go down here. Oh, get this out of my way. Bring this in a little bit closer. You want to go down here to your files, or my files. Go all the way down the one to the left to DVD RW drive. This will come up. And you want to change the disc title, feel free, but it doesn't really matter because you'll know what's on the DVD by just writing on it. But you'll want to hit like a DVD, like a USB flash drive, so you can put whatever you want on the DVD and delete whatever you want. And then it's gonna format it. Which will put something on the DVD, but you don't have to worry about that because there's no actual files technically on there. And you'll see, well, I'd say that in a minute. There's no files on DVD, but so we want to go to burn, which we're already on, blah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to do the baby Brandon thing over again, but that's alright. Delete. And then you're gonna press burn down here. This will come up, telling you it's not a blank one. You want to hit yes to wipe all the contents because, well, it's like a USB drive, but there's just nothing on the DVD. So you want to hit yes, and it's gonna be burning it. And then that's about it. Okay, bye.